Understanding the phrase, balk at. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a phrase that might have puzzled you when reading or listening to English conversations, balk at. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's find out. Balk at is a phrasal verb that means to hesitate or be unwilling to accept an idea or undertaking. It can also refer to showing reluctance or opposition to something. When someone balks at something, they might have reservations, doubts, or discomfort about it. Example, she balked at the idea of going skydiving. The term balk originally comes from Old English and was used in the context of sports, like baseball, where a pitcher might balk or make a deceptive motion without actually throwing the ball. This idea of deception or avoidance was then extended to everyday language to describe any kind of hesitation or unwillingness. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how you can use balk at in everyday conversations. 1. When referring to a task or challenge. 2. He balked at the thought of speaking in front of a large crowd. 3. Talking about financial matters. 4. Many customers balk at the high prices of the new technology. 5. In the context of making decisions. 6. She balked at the proposal because it seemed too risky. Remember, balk at often implies a strong feeling of reluctance or hesitancy, not just a minor concern. It's important to note that balk at doesn't mean the person will never do the task or accept the idea. It simply suggests an initial hesitancy. For example, someone might balk at the idea of bungee jumping due to fear, but with enough encouragement, they might eventually try it. Thank you for joining us today in uncovering the meaning and usage of the phrase, balk at. Remember, language is a tool, and the more phrases and idioms you understand, the more colorful and expressive your conversations will become. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to exploring more linguistic treasures with you in the future.